Hey everyone, I'm Shubham, CEO and founder of Sastorm Software. In this demo, I'm going to demonstrate how easy and hassle-free to install Message Link app from Salesforce Marketplace. As you can see from my screen, this is a try it option. Try it option is for your sandbox environment. If you want to use the app in your sandbox, get it now is an option if you want to use the app in your live environment. Okay. Perfect. After installing the app, first option that you see is the message link homepage. So there are 3 easy steps to use the app. So it's very hassle free. It's simple to use. And the first important is to get use the app which has 100 SMS credits involved. After clicking this, I will need to choose a country, a nation where I am sending an SMS. So for a demo, I'm just once I choose the US as my country, there will be a test number which will be assigned to me as a user. So as you can see, this number has been successfully assigned to me, and I can simply start speaking the program. So after clicking on begin my SMS journey, as you can see, this is the number which is assigned to me, which has 30 days free trial and has 100 SMS credits. Moving forward, just to make sure that everything is properly set up for you, as a best practice, I would encourage you to go to the setup. After going to the setup, just type permission set. As I mentioned, these things are not required to do it. These are just the best practices. I'm just cross-checking and cross-verifying it, whether the required permission set as a user has been assigned to me or not. So I can simply go to the C, and there are, as you can see, there is Connect Social Admin, Connect Social Site User, and third one is the Connect Social User only. So I'm just simply clicking on Connect Social Admin. After clicking here, perfect. I'm going to the manage assignment, and after going to the manage assignment, I can see Shubham Sastorm. So this is a permission set is active and it's assigned. It's perfect. Moving forward, you can see the Connect Social Site User. Okay, so as a Connect Social Site User, I'm again going to the Manage Assignments. So I can see Connect Social SMS Site Guest User is also assigned to me, right? So which is ticked. Perfect. Moving forward, I am going to Connect Social User. Again, going back to the Manage Assignment, Manage User, and I can see Shubham Sastorm. This is also active. So that means my free trial has been successfully set up. There are no action from your end. We are just cross-checking whether all the necessary permission set as a user has been assigned to you. Perfect. Okay, so now after checking all the users, the permission set has been assigned to me. I am going to a contact record. So I'm just taking Jonathan, his title is SalesforceAdmin from the account. Okay, perfect. I'm going to the edit page. Okay, after going to the edit page, you can see there is a component which is Connect Social Chat component. Okay, you can simply drag and drop anywhere you want. So I'm just dropping it here. And once this is dropped, don't forget to click on save. Perfect. So this is saved now. Going back again. As you can see, this is a chat component which is added to a contact Jonathan. So now I'm going to message, hi Jonathan. Hope all is well. Okay. So as you can see, I have initiated a conversation with my contact with Jonathan, and Jonathan has responded, I am good. So again, I can mention thank you, simply clicking here. So the two-way SMS conversation has started with my contact Jonathan. Two-way SMS conversation which is going on, and I can also track my history with Jonathan here as well. And if there are any other contacts or whom I am having conversation, I can see here as well, and I can go to reports, I can go to any leads, I can go to demo. Feel